How to replace a dead iPad battery. You do not have to purchase a brand new iPad in case your battery is failing. The iPad's battery is its most necessary characteristic. In any case, your iPad won't turn on if it would not have energy. The iPad battery typically has a life of some years, however it'll ultimately begin to maintain much less energy and have to be recharged extra typically. It is not straightforward to interchange an iPad battery as a result of Apple designs its merchandise with stable instances that may solely be opened with effort and talent. However, that does not imply it's essential to purchase a brand new iPad when your iPad battery begins to die. Listed below are 4 choices for changing an iPad battery that gain and maintain a cost. Battery alternative for iPads beneath guarantee, Apple Care. In case your iPad is beneath its unique guarantee, otherwise you bought an Apple Care extended warranty that is nonetheless in impact, Apple will exchange the battery, really your entire iPad, totally free. You may check if your iPad is still under warranty by coming into your iPhone's serial quantity into Apple's warranty checker tool. In case your guarantee remains to be lively, go to Apple's iPad repair support page and click on the Begin a Service Request hyperlink within the iPad battery and energy part. Search the web page for Begin a Service Request to seek out it quicker. You may also set up an appointment at an Apple store and take your iPad in. Back up your iPad data earlier than handing over your iPad to keep away from dropping your information. The repaired or changed iPad ought to arrive 3 to 5 enterprise days after you give yours to Apple. Apple might check your iPad to see if the issue was brought on by one thing not covered by the guarantee. In that case, your alternative possible will not be free. Additionally, if the iPad has an engraving on it, the turnaround time will be as much as 2 weeks, since Apple may also engrave the alternative iPad. Whereas we don't recommend buying additional insurance for your devices, you will have insured your iPad, or have a coverage that covers your whole tech. In that case, examine your insurance coverage to see if battery alternative is roofed. Battery alternative for iPads with expired guarantee. In case your iPad is out of guarantee, Apple will restore the battery for $99, plus $6.95 transport, and tax. To provoke a restore, begin a service request on Apple's website or go to an Apple retailer. Even when it's a must to pay for the battery alternative, $99 is an effective value to get an iPad working once more. That mentioned, you must take into account the price of restore versus the price of getting a brand new iPad. If the iPad with the failed battery is previous, it could be higher to place that cash towards the price of shopping for a brand new iPad. iPad battery alternative at licensed restore retailers. There are outlets that restore iPad screens and batteries. These restore outlets might even be present in kiosks in lots of malls and should cost lower than Apple. In the event you plan to make use of considered one of these restore outlets, search for one that's approved by Apple to offer repairs. Which means they're educated and skilled. An inexperienced restore individual might trigger extra issues than they remedy. Apple might not repair these issues in the event that they had been carried out by an unauthorized supplier. DIY iPad battery alternative. It is attainable to interchange an iPad battery yourself with the appropriate instruments and expertise. Solely do that do-it-yourself possibility in case you're tech-savvy and prepared to danger destroying your iPad. It should price between $50 and $90 to purchase the instruments and components wanted to interchange the iPad battery. However, keep in mind, repairing your personal iPad voids its guarantee, if it is nonetheless beneath guarantee. In the event you spoil your iPad, Apple is not going to repair the system.